Hi, this topical talk's gonna show you how to join the official King Legacy Discord server. Follow these easy steps to join this server. Once you are in your Discord, scroll down to this left-hand menu and click on Add a Server and click on Join a Server. In this invite link box, type here discord.gg / and write this letter and must follow uppercase and lowercase for PVVS capital CB, and this is the server link. Just click on join server. What do you want to do in the server? Just select an option and click on next. Select the option and click on finish, and then you will directly jump into the King Legacy Discord server. Once you are here, you have to verify. Just click on get verified. Here you can click on verify to get verified, or you can verify with Blox link by just clicking on verify with Blox link and follow next steps to get verified. So this is how we can join to this King Legacy server. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.